Did you know that some healthy fruits, when consumed in high amounts or in excess, could actually be working against your leg strength as you age? If you're over 60 and are concerned about muscle weakness, difficulty walking, or simply want to maintain your independence, this video is for you. We're revealing the 3 fruits you may need to avoid to keep your legs strong and steady. Stay until the end, because the last one is a surprise to most people. And I'll show you exactly what to eat instead to build powerful, stable legs for years to come. Now, before we dive in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, so you don't miss our weekly senior health tips. Alright, let's get started. Fruit number 3, mango. They're juicy, they're sweet, and they're packed with vitamin C, so why are they on this list? The issue isn't their nutrition, it's their high sugar content, especially when consumed in larger portions. A single medium-sized mango can contain over 45 grams of sugar. That's more than a can of soda. For seniors, especially those who may already be struggling with muscle weakness, this high sugar load can lead to significant blood sugar spikes. These spikes can contribute to inflammation and potentially lead to insulin resistance over time. When your body is constantly dealing with high sugar, it has less capacity to repair and build muscle, indirectly undermining your leg strength. While mangoes offer vitamins, if you're trying to build or preserve leg muscle, large, frequent servings might be counterproductive. What to do instead? Enjoy mango in very small portions, perhaps a thin slice. Or, optional for fruits with a lower glycemic index, like a handful of berries, green apples, or citrus fruits, moderation is key here. Fruit number 2, grapes. They're small, easy to pop, and seem innocent enough. But like mangoes, grapes are a concentrated source of natural sugars, primarily fructose and glucose. A single cup of grapes, which is easy to consume without thinking, contains about 23 grams of sugar. It's not just the sugar content, but the sheer volume, and how quickly that sugar can hit your bloodstream. For seniors, especially those managing diabetes or prediabetes, frequent high sugar loads from fruits like grapes can lead to sustained periods of elevated blood sugar. This can contribute to systemic inflammation, which is a silent destroyer of muscle tissue. Moreover, if you're filling up on high sugar fruits, you might be displacing other crucial nutrients like protein, which is vital for maintaining and building leg strength. The healthier swap: if you love grapes, enjoy a small handful as a treat. But for regular snacking, consider a handful of almonds, walnuts, or a small portion of avocado. These provide healthy fats and protein, which are far more beneficial for muscle health and blood sugar stability. Fruit number 1, canned fruit in syrup. This is the one that might genuinely shock you. While fresh fruit has natural sugars, canned fruit, especially those in heavy syrup or light syrup, is essentially fruit drowning in added sugar. You're not just getting the fruit's natural sugars. You're getting a massive extra dose of processed sugar, like high fructose corn syrup. A single serving of canned peaches in heavy syrup can easily contain more than double the sugar of a fresh peach, much of it added sugar. And what does all that added sugar do? It supercharges the inflammatory response, significantly increases the risk of blood sugar dysregulation, and offers empty calories that contribute to weight gain, putting even more stress on already weakening leg muscles. This is a double whammy against your mobility and strength. The clear solution here: avoid canned fruit in syrup entirely. If you must buy canned fruit, always choose in water or no added sugar. But honestly, your best bet is always fresh or frozen fruit. These retain their fiber and nutrients, and their sugar is in its natural, more digestible form. So, if these fruits can be problematic, what should you be eating to support your leg strength? Focus on fruits that are lower in sugar and higher in fiber and beneficial compounds, like berries, avocados, green apples, and citrus fruits. Crucially, ensure adequate protein with every meal. Lean meats, fish, eggs, Greek yogurt, lentils, beans, to build strong muscles. Remember, nutrition is part of a bigger picture. Combine smart food choices with regular strength training, plenty of hydration, and quality sleep for true leg strength. Always consult your doctor or a registered dietitian before making significant dietary changes. especially if you have underlying health conditions. We hope this video helps protect your leg strength. Share your favorite healthy fruits or snacks in the comments. If you found this valuable, please thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more vital senior health tips. Thank you for watching, and here's to a strong, independent you.